Hey there, automotive enthusiasts. Today, we've got something truly groundbreaking to talk about: the 2024 Launch CRB5001 scan tool with battery tester. If you're serious about maintaining your vehicle, this is the tool you've been waiting for. This isn't your average OBD2 scanner. The CRB5001 is a powerful 3-in-1 tool that lets you diagnose engine, ABS, seniors, and transmission systems, test the health of your 12 volts battery, and even perform 6 common service resets. Let's break down the CRB5001's key features. OBD2 scanner, read and clear diagnostic trouble codes DTCs, view live data, streams, and monitor vehicle performance like a pro. Battery tester, get a complete picture of your battery's health, including cranking and charging system tests, internal resistance, and state of charge. No more wondering if your battery will leave you stranded. Service resets, perform oil light resets, battery registration, TPMS relearn, brake pad resets, ABS bleeding, and throttle body adaptation. Save time and money by avoiding trips to the dealership. AutoVIN technology automatically retrieves your vehicle's make, model, and year information for quick and easy diagnostics. Lifetime free updates. Stay up to date with the latest software and vehicle compatibility without paying a dime. User-friendly design. The CRB5001 is compact, lightweight, and features a 5-inch touchscreen display for easy navigation and reading. Benefits for different users. This tool is perfect for DIY car enthusiasts. Take control of your car's maintenance and save money on repairs. Professional mechanics, boost your efficiency and offer a wider range of services to your customers. Fleet managers, maintain your vehicles in top condition and prevent costly breakdowns. Here's a breakdown of the pros and cons of the Launch CRB5001. Pros: multifunctionality, comprehensive diagnostics, advanced battery testing, lifetime free updates, user-friendly interface, AutoVIN technology, additional features, compact and portable. Cons: limited service reset capabilities. So, whether you're a professional mechanic or a car enthusiast who loves to tinker under the hood, the 2024 Launch CRB5001 scan tool with battery tester is your ultimate companion for vehicle maintenance and diagnostics. Don't miss out on the future of automotive diagnostics. Get your hands on the CRB5001 and take your vehicle maintenance to the next level. Stay tuned for more exciting updates from Launch. Thanks for watching. I hope this video gave you a good overview of the CRB5001. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more car tech content. Until next time, keep those engines running smoothly.